In this tutorial, learn how users can seamlessly co-edit files simultaneously, add comments for effective collaboration, and manage versioning to easily restore previous versions. On the left side, you'll see Jake Brown's screen. And on the right side, Mary Lee's screen. Both Jake Brown and Mary Lee are working on the same balance sheet document. Mary is updating the first line of the document while Jake is updating the fourth paragraph. As Mary and Jake add comments, they are visible to each other. Comments made by Mary and Jake can be seen in the comments section. Users may restore and access previous versions of the document on EasiShare user portal. File versions can be retrieved from version history. Users will be able to download or restore previous versions accordingly. This brings us to the end of the tutorial. This tutorial has demonstrated how users can easily collaborate to co-edit files simultaneously, how they can manage versions and restore previous iterations. EasiShare, your go-to enterprise file security solution.